Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to HemingwayLand.com, your source for quality, affordable land. This is our preview, our weekly preview of all the properties going live on the website for tomorrow, National Donut Day, Friday, June 4th, 2021. As you can imagine, guys, that leads me off with announcement number one. Reminder that, yes, tomorrow is National Donut Day. I mentioned in last week's video, I'm going to remind you guys, because, of course, tomorrow will be your only chance in 2021 to eat a donut. If you do not eat a donut tomorrow, you will not be allowed to eat another donut until National Donut Day next year. I haven't familiarized myself with the rules recently, but I'm fairly certain that's how it works. For the record, guys, last week I requested, politely requested, hey guys, leave a comment about your favorite donut place. Perhaps a link to a website. Perhaps a link to an Instagram. So I can look up these amazing donuts in your given locality. No one participated in this. Nobody left a comment. Some of you, Karina, agreed that yes, donuts are delicious. Thank you, Karina. But not enough people, no one, left a comment about their favorite donut place. So a little upsetting, guys. A little bit of a letdown, okay? Don't ask for a lot here in regards to comments. Anyway, so yeah, National Donut Day tomorrow. By the way, last week I got an email from somebody. I don't know why somebody doesn't leave a comment like this, but I got an email from someone asking essentially if I was a corporate shill for Pinkbox or if the video was sponsored by Pinkbox. Nay, in fact, no. I'm just a fan. If you find yourself in Vegas tomorrow or any day of the... Oh my God, look at this, guys. I just happened to queue up an image of the inside of Pinkbox. Stop it in Pinkbox. They're fantastic. Best donuts in Vegas. Anyway, that's topic number one. Topic number two, I'll stay on the donuts while I discuss this. Caption contest. Guys, we're having a big contest. Big $1,000 giveaway here on the Hemingway Land YouTube channel. That'll be discussed in a separate video going live tonight, so watch that video for the details. Two $500 winners. And so you know, guys, this is not a trick. This is not $500 off a property. Now buy a property from us. No, this is in fact two $500 cashier's checks I will be mailing to the respective winners of the caption contest. So learn more about that in tonight's video. The contest is going to be going for basically a little bit more than a week, and then we'll be announcing the winner on the 14th of the month. So learn all the rules in that video, and maybe you too can win $500 free dollars. Things to look forward to. Anyway, with that said, guys, I do want to thank all the people who bought land from us this past week in Taos County. Corinthia picked up the new Trace Piedras lot. It was on the website for a combined total of 13 seconds before she purchased it. So thank you to her. Also, I got to tell you, Corinthia, Johnny on the spot. I get, 7 million calls a week, a month, a day about people who, I swear to God, I'm going to buy whatever you sell in Trace Piedras next. And you go like, okay, well, watch the website or subscribe to the email blast. And nobody, they don't. Like a few people do. A few people are really alert. Corinthia, one of those people. So thank you to her. Additionally, out there in Socorro County, we sold properties to Alan and to Ray, to returning customer Charles, and to Sharon, returning customer Sharon. We actually got a property that was going to go live this Friday. It was adjacent to one that she had purchased from us in the past. We gave her right of first refusal on that, as we do with all adjacent lots with previous buyers. And she scooped it up. She bought that one, so thank you to Sharon. Additionally, guys, Alan picked up one of our Nye County properties. He put down the deposit. He paid the thing off in the same day, which is always delightful to deal with. So thank you to Alan. Thank you to all of our buyers from this past week. Going live on the website next week, guys, will be some Chavez County properties. In the meantime, I'm kind of buying my time. So I will tell you that this week going live on the website, couple small lots. Of course, we got more in Socorro, but we're starting off with a new property finally out here in Rio Rancho. And yes, I agree, graphically, this is awkwardly organized. Whatever the case, this is the new property down here, half acre in Unit 6 for $1,500. If we bring it up on the map here, guys, you're going to see this one is out here as noted in Unit 6. I realize that probably means nothing to anyone, but it's in one of the more rural, one of the more undeveloped parts of Rio Rancho. This, of course, is kind of where development stops right here by the arroyo. It inches a little bit past it, but out here you got a couple home sites in the area. You can see some over here, some over here. One over here, etc. But this one fairly remote. By the way, why does the pin on Google Maps appear and disappear? I don't know. Nearest property is roughly about 0.8 of a mile over here, so this is not necessarily a property you're going to be able to get power extended to, unless you're super wealthy, I guess. But we will call it solar friendly. It's a solar friendly property. It's got a little bit of a slope to it. But of course, there are no utilities out here. This, for the record, guys, this is as good as I can get. I'm working, as I mentioned before, on a Rio Rancho bulk acquisition that's taking forever. And so we'll have to make do with this one. This is not necessarily my first choice for properties that I want to purchase out here. I don't like to focus on Unit 6. I don't like to focus on the half acres. But I know somebody out there has been looking for something exactly like this, and particularly at this price. So hopefully that is you. Whatever the case, new lot finally in Rio Rancho out here in this lovely region. Additionally, guys, going live on the website this week, as noted earlier, more lots in Socorro County, a handful of 1-acre properties going live out here. Here's the highlights, guys, from the spreadsheet this week. SCNM 11193 down here, Unit 1, Block 1001. Yes, it's one of the 1000 blocks, Lot 85. Of course, it's a 1,000 block. That means sometimes that they are under 1 acre. This is 0.86 acres. That being said, it is more than that 3/4 acre threshold. If you bring it up on a map, you will see this one sits just right off Highway 60. It doesn't run adjacent. It's not a budding Highway 60, but it's like back here. Whatever the case, there is power at the lot line out here, as you can kind of see if you zoom in on the map. Power servicing nearby home sites here. Power here along this road, servicing nearby home sites here, etc. So this one will not be difficult to get power extended to the subject property. And of course, you've got easy access out here to Highway 60. Additionally, guys, also on the spreadsheet this week, another one of the highlights. There's like 6 or 7 new properties, but these are just the highlights. Down here, Unit 14, Block 474, Lot 25. This is SCNM 13583. This one, of course, is south of the highway, but it is in one of these regions where there are developed home sites and hence power very close by to the subject property. This one sits right here, but nearest power is over here, serving these 2 home sites. So, my God, why does that pin appear and disappear? I don't know. Anyway, point being, power close by. So about 7 new lots in Socorro County, 1 in Rio Rancho, and then it looks like things are actually starting to come out of escrow. So I'll have some bigger lots premiering down by Roswell next week and the week after. Things to look forward to. Speaking of things to look forward to, guys, go try to win some money on the YouTube caption contest. I hope this one works out well. I hope that this is an experiment, a money giveaway. It's more so just an experiment, just sort of giving back to you guys because we are coming up fast on our 1,000th sale, and just sort of a way to say thank you. So I hope one of you, particularly somebody who's bought property from us in the past, wins some free money. Anyway, with all that said, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the new properties, and we will see you in next week's video. Bye-bye.